Welcome to the second episode of the 690 build series. In this episode I'm gonna upgrade my bike since it's already, how many kilometers does it have? 140, so it's really time to upgrade the bike. I haven't rode it that much, but I already saw a few things I need to change. The foot pegs, they don't overgrip at all. I don't like rubber. A shifting lever because it has a false neutral every time, and people say it will help if you change the shifting lever. Also changing the handguards because these don't offer protection, and since my name is Crashking, I need different handguards. What else? Yeah, probably the license plate holder because this one is ugly as fuck, so I gotta change those bits for sure, and maybe something else, but let's start the build.
Coming back home. Rolling the dice, I'm all in or I'm out. Take a beat.
So first of all, I'm gonna get rid of the license plate holder. I still need a Tailtidy, also because this Taillight is sticking out from the side, so that's looking pretty ugly. At first I thought it was a real pretty Taillight, but now I need to get something new. Also need some new indicators because these ones are way too big, even though they are LEDs, so need to upgrade those. So first of all you remove these two screws. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Yes. Wow, this was amazing. Also, remove the other screw. There it goes. And then the next one. Which one? Never done this before, but trust me, I'm not a mechanic. But there's one problem. There's also a license plate light thing, so I need to remove that one as well. How is it still on? We need to remove this one as well. Joshua, tell me what to do. I don't know what to do.
Lefty loosey.
Right, Tidy?
Good job.
Ah, thank you. So, that looks way better. This is the light from the license plate. So I need to remove that later, but for now I will leave it on. And I need to put two screws back in, because otherwise this will be way too loose. Parts! So remove the license plate holder. Next up is the mirrors, which I'm really good at. Huh, he can't take a shit right now. That's a big problem. Okay, so mirrors getting off. That's really easy job to do, so perfect. I need to remove those as well, but this will be a big weight reduction already without the mirrors. And hey, this one is coming off, so the other one, socket 14 I guess, so not big enough, that's what she said. So, weight reduction, because the bike is so heavy, we need to save some weight, but also add some weight. But first, the bike is looking so much better already, without the mirrors and that license plate. First gonna replace the shifting lever, because I'm hitting false neutrals all the time, so I'm gonna replace it with the Zeta shifting lever. Should fit from the EXC models and also the 690 Enduro, it says, so this one should fit. Real easy mod, so hopefully that will fix the false neutrals. So again, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Remove. Remove the shifting lever. You can do it. There we go. And we forgot the Loctite, so I need to put that on afterwards.
You forgot the Loctite.
Yeah, blah blah blah. You didn't bring it either, so we need to put on some Loctite afterwards. Also gonna place the shifting lever a bit higher, since stock one was really hard to use with the motocross boots. So this one should be a little better, like this. And also big advantage of the Zeta lever is that you can place it more forwards if you have bigger feet. So after we removed it, then rotate it and then put it back on again. It's easy as that. There we go. And now it's more forward, so it's easier to shift. Also, all links of the products that we use will be in the description below. So if you want to get the same shifting lever. It also fits the EXE models. And as you just saw, also for the 690. And I think it will fit all the EXE models that are available since 2002 or something. Should say it on the label. It says from 2016, but I think it will fit the all models as well. Yeah, should fit. So, as you can see, there are 6 different tip positions. I also should use Loctite for that one. So the next mod will be the handguards. Probably have a little problem because the bolts going through the handguards right now. And with the new handguards they won't be like that. I'm using the Zeta Handguards because they will have indicators in them, so I can get rid of the big ones. Small weight reduction, and it will look way better. Also LED light, so will be very bright. And this will be a problem. Next up is removing the last bit of the handguards. Real easy. And as you can see, they are fully plastic, but it's not a wraparound. It mounts on the clutch lever and stuff, so it's really fucked up quality. So I'm getting the aluminium bars from Zeta again, and the Zeta handguards also have indicators in them, so that will look sick. Nice quality. So yes, these are Zeta's mounting instructions. Hi. Hi.
Hey.
So for the Zetas, I got the orange anodized bars. You can also get them in the titanium color or the black color. So they are available in the link in the description below. And it comes without the plastic, so you have to order them separately. And also the optional mounting kit. There's a few different ways to mount them. They got a different one for the EXE models. Then you mount a new bar clamp and it goes on towards your handguards. But I chose another one, so let's mount these as well. So to mount them, all you have to do is push it in and then this way. And get the other clamps as well. I'm fucked.
What? Why?
The mount I got is not for a fat bar.
Oh.
I don't know if I can make it fit. Fuck. This will cut. I just realized I ordered the wrong mounting kit. I ordered them for the 22mm handlebars, but I needed 28 because I got a fat bar. So I don't know how to fix it, so probably just leave it like this and mount it for now and put the mounting kit on later, I guess. So yeah. Perfect.
Just talk.
Talk, you motherfucker. Oh, beautiful. Just like my personality. Wow. Epic. Zeta plastics. Not gonna solder the wires because I'm lazy and I hate soldering. But I'm getting really turned on by Smc-R. Follow him on Instagram. Again, comes with the instructions. Not needing those. It's really hard to mount these. In the beginning it took like 5 hours, but now I'm very experienced. You need to put these 2 bolts into the handguard and yeah. So it's really hard. You have to hold it like this and then turn a screw in, so that's really hard. I don't know if everybody can do this, so luckily it comes with instructions, so if you don't know how to mount a handguard, now you can. And I can't. Well, there is echt gaaf. The next mod we're gonna do is kick the bike up. How can this hydraulic lift this bike up? The bike is way too heavy for this lift probably. But we're gonna change the foot peg, so gonna put the bike a little higher. So yeah, I have to watch my bike. I'm getting a little older, so I need to watch my back now. So I'm gonna remove the foot pegs and replace them with the Zeta ones. I think that will look way better and yeah, have more grip, because with these rubbers, your grip is fucked. But we need tools. Ah, tools. Thank you. So I bought these Zeta foot pegs because on Facebook they said they would fit, and everything they say on Facebook is true. So I bought them, but they don't fit. So I'm modifying them to make them fit on my bike. Should be able to do it. I already took a big bit off, but gonna take the rest off. All the foot peg is already on. They will get in, but you can't pivot them around. And then if you hit the corner, hit the ground with the foot peg, it will stay stuck and then you will crash. And of course you will like it for the videos, but for me it's not that good, so I'm taking this bit off. Hey! What up? This is Mr. Bacon. Follow him at Instagram. Link is in the description below. So I tried tuning the foot pegs, but it didn't work out. So we spent the last 2 hours getting the springs back in the foot pegs. Finally managed to do it, but I wanted to end this day with a success story. So I'm mounting the oil filler plug. That's probably the only thing I can do without cursing a lot. So.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh, this is really hard. Oh fuck! Now I have to replace the oil ring, the sealing, and I'm not talking about. Why it's not coming off?
How's it going?
Perfect. Look, it's already on. Ach so, Junge. Ach so, super. Geil. Geiles Teil, Junge. Das ist vom Zeta. Gut. Ja, gut. Geil. Joshua is my best friend. Joshua brought new clamps because yesterday we had the wrong clamps, but now we got the right ones. Now we can fix the handguards. Thank you, Joshua.
No
you
problem.
are the best. Thank you so much. Now we can tighten it. We can tighten the clamps.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Well, I've got a Tailtidy from R&G, and I don't know if I want to mount it yet. We finally mounted the Zeta Handguards after 2 days, so I'm really happy that they are on, but I'm not too sure if I really want to mount the R&G Tailtidy yet, or if I want to start putting on other parts and end this episode. So that's why I'm using the guide and see if I want to do it. Le kit contiene le articles exposes French. I don't understand French. Rückstrahler! Also German. I don't know, I'm a Spanish German.
What you doing?
Eating balls.
Een teabag, joh.
Teabagging. KTM 690.
This time around, I'm going to be installing the Tailtidy R&G. And as you know, this is a bus with 701.
My idea was to install the Tailtidy, or at least it was Joshua's. But
Follow him on Instagram.
follow Joshua on Instagram, link is in the description below.
Follow me on Instagram.
Look at that as you want to follow it. It's way better than all the Insta girls. But to install it, I have to solder the wires, and I don't have a soldering machine with me today, so I will be installing that the other time. So that's about it. And this is the video of this week. There will be a new video in 2 weeks, and that video is gonna be epic and nice.
What we're gonna do?
Well, not installing this Tailtidy. That's about all I know. But it will look sick, so tune in 2 weeks. Make sure to subscribe, and you can win this hoodie. Go to the link in the description below, subscribe to the newsletter, follow us, and you might win this hoodie. The winner will be announced in the newsletter, so you have to be subscribed to the newsletter. See you in 2 weeks. Bye.
Bye.